Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So today we're gonna be doing Surya Namaskara. So we're gonna be doing variations in Surya Namaskara. So what are the benefits of Surya Namaskara? सूर्य नमस्कार करने से अपने बॉडी के लिए क्या बेनिफिट्स है? So सूर्य नमस्कार करने से अपने बॉडी का हर पार्ट ट्रेन होगा, जिससे कि आपका स्ट्रेंथ और स्टैमिना दोनों भी बढ़ेंगे। एंड अगर आप वेट लॉस करना चाहते हैं तो आपके बॉडी में जो हीट जनरेट होगा उससे आपका वेट लॉस होगा। वेट लॉस के लिए भी करना चाहते हैं तो सूर्य नमस्कार आपको हेल्प करेगा। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। Now just stand straight, stretch your arms, deep breathe in and touch your toes and breathe out totally. Take your right leg back, look forward, deep breathe in. Take your left leg back, come to downward facing dog position and just breathe out totally. Now come to upward facing position. Deep breathe in. Now come to downward facing dog and breathe out totally. Take your left leg front, look forward. Take your right leg front, touch your toes, deep breathe in, look forward and relax. Now just raise your hands up, deep breathe in, touch your toes and deep breathe out. Stretch your body as much as you can. Don't bend your knees. Take your left leg back, look forward, deep breathe in. Take your right leg back, come in downward facing dog and just breathe out totally. Now come in upward facing position. Deep breathe in. Just deep breathe in. Come to downward facing dog and breathe out. Breathe out totally. Now take your right leg front. Look forward, deep breathe in. Take your left leg front, breathe out in toe touch position and just relax. Stretch your arms as much as you can. Deep breathe in, touch your toes and breathe out. Jump back, come in upward facing position. Just come to downward facing dog. Now jump forward in toe touch position. Deep breathe in, touch your toes and deep breathe in. Come to now upwards and just relax. Now stretch your arms back. Deep breathe in, touch your toes and breathe out. Jump backward, come in upward facing dog position. Deep breathe in, come to downward facing and breathe out. Take your right leg front in between your palms of both your hands and just stretch your body. Keep your right leg in 90 degrees and left leg straight. Stretch your body as much as you can and take your right leg back. Come in upward facing position. Deep breathe in. Come to downward facing dog position and breathe out. Take your left leg front and stretch your, keeping it 90 degrees. Stretch your body as much as you can and just take your left leg back. Come to downward facing dog and just come in upward facing dog position by breathing in. Come to downward facing dog and breathe out totally. Just jump forward in between your hands and just toe touch your body. Deep breathe in. Come up and just hold your position and just relax. Now stretch your arms. Deep breathe in. Touch your toes. Breathe out. Take your right leg back and left leg back. Both the legs should be in 45 degrees position and just lean your body. Look forward. Your hands should be parallel. Just don't bend your body more. Take your left leg back and just come in upward facing position. Deep breathe in and just relax in child position. Now come in downward facing dog position. Take your left leg front and stretch your body in the same way. Keep your left leg in 45 and right leg in 90 degrees. Place your both your arms and floor and just take your right leg front and be in toe touch position and come to the normal position and relax. Now just stretch your body and come to toe touch position. Deep breathe in. Take your left leg back. Now keep your right leg in 90 degrees and left leg straight and just be in this position. Now take your right leg back. Come in upward facing dog position and then come to child pose and relax. Now come to downward facing dog position. Deep breathe out. Take your right leg and left leg front and just be this position. Hold this position, keeping your right leg straight and left leg in 45. Take your right leg front, be in toe touch position. Deep breathe in. Now get up, stretch your arms and deep breathe out. Now just sit onto the floor in Padmasana. Just raise your hands and just lean your body forward. Just stretch your body, lean your body as much as you can. Just be in this position. Lean as much as you can. Don't stress your body. Just hold here and just come up and relax. Now just come in tabletop, or it is also called as cat position. Now just deep breathe in and hunch totally. Deep breathe in by raising, keep your, just hunch. Just deep breathe in by looking forward and just hunch totally by sucking your belly in. Just deep breathe in and hunch your body totally, just sucking your belly. Deep breathe in, hunch. Deep breathing and hunch. And just sit in child position and relax. Just relax your whole body. Don't stress your body, just relax. Just deep breathe in and breathe out slowly. Just be in this position. And come to tabletop position again and just sleep onto your belly. Place your palms under your thighs and raise your leg. Raise your left leg first and hold. Don't bend your knee, okay? Relax. Now raise your right leg. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax. Now just be in Superman position, by placing your both your arms and legs in air. Just be onto your belly. Keep your core tight so that you can hold more. Now just come to child pose and relax. Now just sit in Padmasana position. Just twist your body. Place your right leg back and twist your body. Place your right hand back and twist your body. Left hand and twist your body left side. Right hand by twisting your body right side. Now just lie onto your mat. Take your legs close and get up through your hips, okay? Just be in this position. Relax. Now just take your left leg, left knee, bend your left knee and touch it to your forehead and twist it. Now take your right knee, bend it and touch your toe, your forehead. Now just your knees and just roll. It's a good way of massaging your spine. Take your right knee, bend it and touch your forehead and just keep your other leg in air in 45 degrees. The other leg should be straight and relax. Now we should have to do the same with the other leg. Take your right knee, bend it and touch your forehead and keep your left knee straight in 45 degrees position. Just breathe in, breathe out. Hold here and relax. Now just keep your right leg onto your left side and just twist your body. Relax. Now keep your left leg onto your right side and just twist your body. It's a way of twisting your spine and making it more flexible. Now just sleep in Shavasana. It is the best way. And just while getting up, just make your small movements of your body and get up from your left side and just be in meditation position. Sit in Dandasana and sit for meditation. Every day you should have to do at least 15 minutes of meditation. It really helps us in relieving from your stress, from your hectic day. It also removes mild depression, headaches. If you are feeling insomnia while sleeping, before going to bed you can do the meditation for 15 minutes. You will surely feel relaxed and just all the stress which is there in your body from your whole day, it will get removed from your body. You can do the meditation by listening to some spiritual music or else Om mantra or a humming sound, anything you want. You should have to just be in this position for 15 minutes every day, no matter what the time is. Just be in this position. Now rub your both your palms until heat generated between your palms faster, and just place it on your eyes and whole face, and look at first thing at your palms and then forward and just relax. Thank you for watching my video, guys. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Share as much as you can with your family, friends, everyone. Until then, bye bye.